What's up, y'all? I figured I'd make a short video real quick trying to show y'all about sheriff sales. So in Davenport, every Tuesday, they have a sheriff sale. Every county and every city and every state has somebody that didn't pay their mortgage. The banks want their money back. So the sheriff holds a sale at the courthouse. Every county is different. Our county, they hold a sheriff sale every Tuesday. So I'm about to walk you through the whole process. I'm about to show you how you can find a deal for cheap. All right, stay tuned. All right, y'all. This right here is a list from the sheriff sale website. The sheriff posts a list, and every Tuesday they have a auction. So this is a list of the properties they have. I analyzed all of these, and the one that I came up with is this one right here. So it's 3518 West Haines Street. The principal amount is $92,000, and the recurring amount is $8,000. So what that means is the bank probably want all of that money, $101,000. Now, I went to Beacon and I seen that this home is worth about $128,000. So if we pay $100,000 for it, we made about $30,000 in profit off tops. I went to Zillow and I seen that Zillow is estimating this home at about $146,000. So that's about $50,000 that you made in profit. Every one of these projects will be different. Some of them you might make 30,000, some of them you might make 5. But it's always potential for profit down there at those auctions. One auction, I seen a house sell for $18,000 that was worth $120,000. Only thing it needed was a roof. So with that being said, is other problems also that you have to look out for. So you might run into a house that the owner didn't pay taxes. You will have to pay those taxes. You might run into a house where the owner didn't pay the contractor for fixing the plumbing. Now it's a lien on there. So you have to do your homework whenever you find in these properties. But if you have cash and you don't know what to do with the cash, that's an excellent place to put it.